My name is Tejan Ibrahim. I'm the MD CEO of Bratton Business School. I'm also the teacher at Bratton Business School. I want to talk about effective courses combination, in ICAN. ICAN has three levels, as we are aware, four papers at foundation, six papers at skills, and five papers at professional level. So a lot of students have asked what's the paper combination, most especially if a student does not want to take the whole course in a particular level. Let's start with the foundation. The foundation has four papers, right? Yes, it's actually okay if a student just take the four papers at once, but if the student want to, break it into two, so we're looking at MI BMF, Business Management and Finance, might actually be a very good combination, while financial accounting and the business law might actually be taken. So not that business law and financial accounting are actually related, but again, it's because those are the two remaining papers that should be taken. But so, like I said, four papers can be taken at a go. Now, let's look at the skills level. We have about six papers. So if somebody does not have any exemption at all, six paper is actually to be seated in examination. So the first option is actually to break these six papers into three, meaning that two at a time. Now, we might actually be suggesting that, take the student take FR and public sector as, at a sitting, also audits and tax, another sitting, performance management and CSME. So that's first option, three sittings, two papers at once. So if a student has exemption, so that is going to be five papers. So it could be broken into two, three. Okay, the exemption actually in audit for anybody that study accounting accredited university. So it might be 3-2. So the five papers that the student that has exemption in audit will do are public sector, financial reporting, performance management, CSME, and taxation. So those are the five papers. Now, you can take three first and take two later, or two first and three later. So the first three, I'm going to be suggesting financial reporting, public sector and finance, and tax. So it will be left with performance management and CSME. That's going to be another diet. That's twice. Now, I mentioned somebody that has exemption, that does not have exemption. So the first option is three times. So the second option is actually to break it into three. So I will be suggesting that financial reporting, public sector, audit should be taken. Definitely, the person does not have any exemption. So the following diets, we might be looking at performance management, CSME, and tax. Okay, so it's also possible to actually take all the six at once. And yes, we've had students that passed six at once, but honestly, it's a whole lot of work. Although the focus is about courses combination. Yeah, so if you're taking all at once, definitely there is no cause for I'm taking this one first and taking the one next. So let's look at the professional level. We have about five courses in professional level. Corporate reporting, case study, strategic financial management, advanced audit and assurance, and advanced taxation. So it could be 3-2, it could be 2-3. Now, the first three I'll be suggesting will be corporate reporting, advanced audit and assurance, and advanced taxation. So the first diet. The second diet, SFM and case study. The truth is, for case study, I always love students to actually take it among the last paper the person will take at that level, because you need a bit of other knowledge you've gained in other courses at previous level and at professional level. But it's also possible to also do, if you want to do two first, to do three, the following diet. But these are good combination I'm going to be suggesting. So yeah, if you need further inquiries and support, just get in touch with us on our WhatsApp number, on our website, bratton.com, and on social media also, on Twitter, you can get in touch on Facebook, and get in touch with us on Instagram, as well as other, social media handles. Thank you for listening. We are here to actually support you.